All right, about to go live here. About to kick it off on YOLO Hour on Monday, October 25th. We are live on TikTok as well, and we have it up on YouTube. It has been an eventful day to say the least. Tesla has passed $1 trillion, but let me just say this before we get started. This is not financial advice. You can and will lose money in YOLO Hour if you play along. In fact, this is the opposite way to trade. This is not the way to trade. This is the worst way to trade. This is not even trading. This is just YOLOing into stocks that are on rocket rides, basically jumping on the FOMO and following that. So with that said, again, not financial advice. You can and will lose money. Just got in a late, a $23 million buy by Perceptive on the 25th, which is today. You would expect that to move the stock. I'm looking at the stock right now on Robinhood because I have to use Robinhood. It just went up, so people are just realizing this. I don't know if I may take just a $5 position just to see what the heck's going on. It should jump a little bit. We'll see what it does. All right, with that being said, we're gonna get started. This is YOLO Hour for Monday, October 25th. We're just settling in right now. I literally just got back from lunch and tried to hit the gym some, but wasn't feeling it. That's just how it goes some days. So with that being said, you can see my options have done very well. Now they were down 2 days yesterday, but again, the financials are doing well. The energy stocks are doing well. HUT's doing well. The blockchain stocks are doing well. HUT was down like $200, $300. So feeling good about that. But we'll run through here really quick, see if we can find some good rockets. Look at Voyager wants to run already. It tried to run. Hell, it did run. Ran up about 3%. That's Voyager Therapeutics, not the crypto exchange, if you would. Look at ETWO grinding up. We've seen several insider size up in it over the past really 3-4 business days. ETWO grinding up again today. Congratulations to the bulls there. Again, we called that one, I want to say last week, but I believe it was on Tuesday. So FCX, which I have options in, is up today. Good to see that. That is, if you want to play for copper, FCX would be it. Look at RDUS up 6%. Love to see it. That's been one. BWN. We may get into a little broad wing here. So I'm using Webull here. So BWEN, and I am paper trading because of, if you did not know, there is wash sale rules, and the wash sale rules, typically a lot of these stocks will pump within a month. It's just something that we found, and if I can't write off the losses, if I'm buying the stock and then the stock goes the opposite way, and let's just say I lose for $4 or $5, and then like 4 days later it pumps again and I lose more, I can't write off that first loss. So my CP has advised me. I use Webull paper trade, and I use Robinhood not to trade. Now I do options with Robinhood. I should say that to start out with. But what I really do is it helps me find the rockets pretty quick. This is not a high volume stock today, 12. Although it is stair stepping up, which is very odd how that stock looks. All right, let's move down here pretty quickly. SPSC up 2.5. Zeb up 3, grinding. Run is up 5, grinding hard. That's nice to see. We're going to have a lot of intermediate rockets today. Is probably what we're going to see, because with all the green, usually if it's a more of a red day and you just have a few green, those greens are the ones that take off typically, right? SLQT want to take off, only up 2.5 though. AANF up 3. Let's get some Tesla again, $1 trillion company now. Look at TSP. It got turned down at the tower and has gone sideways, done a little bit of a pivot, and we continue to move on through here very quickly to make your eyes bleed, because that's what we do here. SSY did pump up 4, but did the pivot and the pullback, and now it's back at a drawdown is what I would say. Looking through here, Sky T, we saw it on Friday, making moves again, up again. In fact, we got in Sky T. That might have been Thursday. I take that back. That might have been Thursday. But it's always a good time, you know what I mean? So CHPT grind up 7%. Looks like it might be turning over. Let's check those markets real quick. Let me see what the markets are doing. Markets are grinding. All are grinding. The Dow looks like it could be turning over. So be prepared for a sell-off if you're looking at your P&L, and if you're not swing trade, if you're just day trading, or even some of your swings, you might want to take profits before the bottom falls out. Look at SAVA, SAVA up almost 8%, and still grinding hard. It did that on Friday too. I don't think it really pumped for us. We might have made a few bucks off of it, but it wasn't. Oh, look at RBOT. We're gone, and he gone. Let's get in there. RBOT, we're in RBOT. We have seen this one run before. It's a surgical stock. I do recall that. Again, let me fix up my 2-minute. Give me some bigger candles here so I can see what's going on. All right, there we go. Let's see if we get a good fill on RBOT, and we'll start to move here, baby. Now, it's only up 2.5%, so it's not like it's just, got a ton of volume behind it yet, but it is up. So let's move through fairly quickly. I don't want to miss something that I've been possibly missing on. Let's see. Ride, again, crushing it, grinding up. Very nice to see. There's Sky T. There we're back where we were. Looking for that rocket. DE now it looks like it's turning over, so watch out for that. Looking at ADIL is turning over as well. We got a lot of stocks either grinding one or two. They're turning over. If they're turning over, they're probably Dow stocks. It looks like the growth stocks are still basically grinding, is what I'm seeing here. Just off of the macro stocks to watch list. And by the way, we have over 500 stocks. By the way, I think RBOT just pulled back. RBOT is up 2, and Broadwing is falling. Broadwing, not a big contributor, probably won't be. I've never really seen Broadwing pump. So we have red on the 1 minute too, and the 2 minute. So we'll see what it does and see if we can't pull it. I'd like to start up good here. I want that red candle. You always want to start off Power Hour or YOLO Hour extremely strong, so you can take some bigger risk if you would, because we are trying to make a little money, a little beer and pizza money. That's what we try to do here. So moving through here fairly quickly. Solo grinding up at 4%. SFT grinding at 4%. GATX just went positive. What was that one? FUV of 7%. Nice. Some good grinders. CVM just went positive. I believe CVM is a energy stock. Could be wrong about that. So fact check me if you would. I love the fact checkers. Looking through here, moving. ORTX could be a rock. It's got to clear the intraday high or the tower is what we like to say. SGOC is turned over. Watch out for it. If that's in your PL, FGen is grinding 2.5 up. It just went positive 2 hours ago. Looks like it's just grinding to 2.5 up now. Could finish strong. I don't know if it'll turn into a rocket, but we will keep our eye on it. Looking at PIRS grinding 3.8, 4 now 4. It looks like it may. Yeah, it's in full rocket mode. PIRS. Let's go. PIRS. Let's see if we get a good fill. And I just saw another good PRRS. We've seen it run before. We're down on RBOT, but I just saw a green 2-minute candle. That means the 1 minute is climbing back. Let that thing run a little bit. We're down 8. So I'm down a few pizzas right now as it goes. Looking on YouTube, we got a few guys joining us. Glad they're here. Now we're just going to make your eyes bleed as I get down to the bottom here. Over 500 stocks, as I've said before. And we just continue to move through them and try to find those rockets. Try to find the YOLO rockets. Try to find that magic, what my kid likes to say. And we also like to find that green, nice green, one big candle, morning wood. Boom. Look at the ARCs. All the ARCs are up 3, 2, and 1%. A lot of them are probably on that Tesla news or the Tesla move. Look at KNSA. Now it just broke pod. Looks like it's done a pivot. CERS could be a runner here. And actually, we're going to look at CERS. No, it's gone sideways. Looking at Bloomberg here. NASDAQ outperforms S&P. Of course, it's not even close today. So they're just telling you stuff you already knew. BWin still grinding up. I got rid of that one though. Damn it. We got a lot of good grinders though, man. A lot of good grinders today. If you're listening and you're watching and you're seeing these grinders, ONCS grinding up now. MIRM grinding up 2.5 to almost 3. ENVB is down again. Whatever guru called ENVB is an absolute dipshit. Sunrun up 5.5. Congratulations. Luke just going sideways but holding gains, which you like to see. Looks like Jivo may want to make a run here real soon. PRQ now positive. NCNO is going parabolic. The problem with it is it's got to clear the tower, and we know what happens 9 times out of 10. Now SLI is one that is boom. There we go. SLI. That's all I needed to know. SLI. It just made the turn. We're gonna go 100 deep there. Our bot has caught the red candle. We are out of our bot. We are down $13 and PIRS looks like it now. It wants to go sideways. Let me look at the 1 minute here, and it could be going off the map too. Our bot. We're now down 9 is all, so we're making a little bit back up as we get out of that trade. Now, the thing about it is we have all these grinders. We could clearly make money on the grinders, but that's not the point of YOLO. That's what I'm talking about, right? YOLO is we got to find the parabolics, right? As they make that turn up, we want to jump in because you never know, especially ones that have heavy volume. Now, there is some decent volume out there today on the screen. You do see my my gains today. Those are only options. Well, I do have two stocks that I did on the way in. Anyway, that being said, we are moving TSP up, holding gains to almost 3%. Looks like it might be turning back though. PLXS has turned over. That one pumped on Friday. That was a good stock for us. I think we made about 15, 16, 17 bucks on that one Friday. So, boom. That's what I'm talking about. CHPT, we've already talked about them. WISA on the way down. It's at 5%. If you're holding WISA, you may want to look at that P&L and may take your foot off the gas there a little bit and take some profits. NSPR is directly sideways now. And here we go. ALZN was one that we were going to call over the weekend. It's at 4%. By the way, one of our calls that we had, HPK, up 16%. That's right. We killed it over the weekend. It was up 4% in pre-market, and then HPK just grind. In fact, let's look at HPK before we have a lot of people join. High Peak Energy, you could see, look where it opened up. Opened up 7, but it just started to grind, just kept grinding. If you just stayed with it, you've been up 17, and it's holding gains too. Boom. Feel good about that call. Again, first day we're about 73%. Again, not financial advice. We just like to have a little fun, but we followed the insiders. And I'm not saying it's easy because you got to know what to look for. You need to have been doing this at least a year, maybe even 2, to know what to look for in the stocks and which ones could take off the next day, because all of those insider trades typically come in after hours. So that being said, we're moving down. We're still looking for the elusive. Now, PNT could do something. Did it clear the tower? It's 801, 805. So it's about, what kind of volume we got? Man, I'll take a chance on this one right now. PNT, it's not going to kill me. I'm just going to go in with 10 shares is all. That is not going to kill me. We're back up. SLI, we're not back up. We're still down 8, almost $9. PIRS is going the wrong way, playa. What are you doing to me? You're killing my... you were just grinding and now you want to go down. All right, we're up 4 on SLI, the standard lithium. That is my favorite lithium stock out there on the market. Just so you know, that's not why I bought it. I bought it because clearly it could go parabolic here and should be going parabolic. Run is grinding. Gosh, you gotta love the sun run. The sun run. It's not going parabolic, but it is grinding up. So that, and if you didn't know what that is the solar energy. Again, go long energy, not financial advice, just what we're doing, right? You can look. I'm always transparent. In fact, I think the most transparent thing you can do on YouTube and on TikTok, which is what I do, I go live. I'll give it to you live. So if you doubt me, I'm telling you stuff live. No, there CIDM. Let's go. CIDM. CIDM. I like the way it looked. We just got the turn. Looks like it could pump here. Real. Now it looks like we are. Let's see what kind of fill we're going to get right here. It's looking like it's pumped, pulled back, pumped again. It's pulling back in now. So that 2 minute candle is going to be really interesting. Now, interesting. This is the way how this may play out for us. SL still printing. We get a good fill on PNT. PIRS is you go the wrong way, player. You're playing the wrong game. You need to be going up. What are you doing selling off right now? People just, I can't wait. I had to get out. Look at this pump, Mom. That's what I tweet out when Musk literally goes, he'll tweet some crypto and I'm like, Mom, guess what? Elon's pumping crypto again. PRS, what is going on? Boy, you guys are just killing me. SIDM. We got a decent fill. We're down 12 now. Yep, there it goes. And just went sideways on me. So we'll see what it does for a few minutes. Let's make the eyes bleed a little bit longer here. Looking for things that are going to turn up. There's a lot that could turn up. Let me be real clear. But what's happening is that we could have. I'm seeing stuff turn over though too. FL just grinding still. Now pause. It's been paused for about 2 hours. Good to see. I am seeing some red out there, so it's not like all equities are just killing it today. By the way, 20% IMB, and it's big. It can go big. IMB is a big one. IMV. I'm talking about the we go 100 shares with that one. Boom. Paper trade that one. We're still up on PRS, and we'll see what Standard Lithium. I'm gonna let them all play. Yep. We'll keep them all playing ball right now. We'll keep all of the men on the field. Hopefully they'll be passing the bong around soon, and we're gonna keep moving here pretty quickly here. PLXS now directionally sideways. ATXS directionally, it was up 9, is down to 8.5 looks like, and turning over. Looks like it's bearish now. Just so you know, ADIL is the same thing. I think we mentioned that one. CHPT still grinding up 7 if you're in that. Looks like it's still grinding. Could be just going sideways. IMV, we just caught that one. We just caught that little, momentum, if you would, that's going straight up. Parabolic, we like to see it. Wish Bitcoin was going parabolic again. Those were the good old days when it went just straight up. You know what I'm talking about? The OGs out there like Walker and those boys that love to join. All right, DPW is a favorite of the channel. It is pumped 4% today. I don't have to get in there quick. We're not even getting to the bottom here. We've only gotten to the bottom one time. Let's go. CRCT grind. That's a insider favorite as well. CRCT about 2 months ago. There were so many. Literally, insiders were buying that, and I'm not kidding you. Every other day, couldn't understand it because I didn't like the stock. It didn't like where it set, and the chart was completely screwy at the time. Clearly they knew something because I think it went up about 16% in 2 months. So congratulations to them, the insiders who knew it was going to go up. Vuzi up 4% today. FUV up 7. Looks like it might be turning over though. just so you know out there in YouTube and TikTok land. We are moving through here. We're trying to get to the bottom. ORTX has gone. So it was on a rocket. It got turned down at the tower. Again, it got turned down. What that means is they got turned down at the intraday high. Now, body wants to run, but it's got to clear the intraday high or the tower. And CBD grinding today. Good to hear. Good to hear. I know some people will be happy with that one. Let's see what the P&L is doing really quick. We are down 26. Something is completely lithium. One of my favorite stocks. My favorite lithium stock. I said, I'm out of here. All right, we got PIRS. Got a green candle there, looking good. And I don't like the way CID is treating me or my P&L. Thanks for your non-contribution. And out you go. And I'm down 24. We got to make, you know what I did is I bought 100 shares of SLI. That's probably what it was. And that will get you down quick when you start trading heavy. All right, we're moving through here. Excuse me. Moving through very quickly, Roku grind. By the way, I bought the 2 Roku devices for the TVs over the weekend. There's ARCs all still grinding. If the ARCs are grinding, the growth stocks are typically going to grind too. That's the thing. What's up, Anik? What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Let me know if you see anything. We're not seeing a lot of rockets pop off, and the ones that did were short-lived. You can see them down $23. Now, I've got IMB. It looks like it's going to pop off. And then I got a couple plays here. One, it says I'm short on one, which I'm not going to be short, so let's just get out of that position. I got a long in PNT. It's not treating me exceptional yet. And IMB, we'll see what it does there. So that's kind of where we are. I traded big, and then that's how I got down. Facebook. Oh, what's Facebook doing? Give me something good. Oh, it's turning up. I told you. Don't worry about Facebook. No, I don't think it's going to rocket here. Although it is turning. Hey, let's jump on it. Now that's a big one. The problem with that is you get 100 shares of Facebook. Let's see what that is. That's going to fill it. That's going to be a big number of the market value. There it is, $32,000. Woo! We're going big today, Anna. Congratulations to you, because I believe it just seems to me the market, the social market was down because of Snap. And Facebook to me just has so many dials it can turn to really not just increase price, but I'm telling you, they've got so many dials they can turn to meet expectations, and that's what they do every stinking quarter, and that's what you just see. MNTK. Oh, yeah, just don't forget, they've got these dials, like hundreds of dials that they can turn, right? And get people in there and get people advertising, but not just that. Just the balance sheet. I mean, they've got so much going on. They can mark to market, mark things up, whatever. Facebook's just one of the big ones. Clearly, they've all kind of as far as the FANG stocks goes, they've all kind of faltered, right? And here's the thing: if Facebook gets split up, so what? You then get WhatsApp and everything else that they own. So and the stock will split. So there you go. And they're all good divisions. Look at Ride. Ride's up 4.5% and grinding still. Here we go. Going a little faster here as I get off my Facebook soapbox, if you would. ADL's turned over. GoCo has turned over. A lot of your Dow stocks are turning over. So just so you know, Kodak, CODX has turned over. RGP is turning over. IMV is still, it's not parabolic, but it's a little bit of a, look at Facebook, got me $34. Thank you, Anik. Now I did go big in that. So I need Facebook to do, look at it going ballistic. People, I did see DPW doing its thing, but it was just grinding. It didn't turn up yet. Oh, it is turning up. DPW, we in. I was just talking about the insiders, and DPW is a big one. We'll go 50. I don't really trust it, but we'll go 50. There's a IMV. I'm gonna get rid of these really quick because I'm not trusting these. IMV. Yeah, there's the candle. What's the next candle gonna be? Red. Yeah, we're out of IMV as well. We're up $3. Again, I just fought my way back thanks to Anik. Facebook is hit a red candle. What's the 1 minute red candle? Facebook's a big position for me, brother. I need this. I need one more green candle. Come on, fight. Come on, fight for it. I need to be about 27. I'm down 30. Where did I get down 13 at? Oh, Facebook. Going the wrong way, partner. You're going the wrong way, Facebook. People selling that and DPW is being sold off. Or it's not a sell-off. It's a pivot. So what it is, there it goes back to 27. I'm going to hold it there. IMB's at the big one. I just got out of that. Need to get that filled. There's up 27. We're up 1. Let me take some off the table here. We're going to sell 80 shares. Boom. So I'm selling 80 shares to get out of that huge position, but still, let's see if they can fight up a little bit. All right, let's continue the rocket show here. Boom. PM's here, Dog Z. Oh, PM, by the way, your hat will ship today, sir. Dog Z just turned on me. Dogness, where did you find that stock at? That is a heck of a stock. I'm going to add that to my list. I appreciate that one. Dogness, what do they do? Manufacture pet products, of course. How would I not know that? It looks like it's pivoted. Let me know if it pivots back. COE, we're on. I've heard of COE. That's the China on. Oh, I missed that one again. I got to get it on my list. Just 593 stocks to watch. That's all I got to watch. Yeah, dude. Should ship today. We do ship to Canada. Europe might be another story. So as long as you're not moving there, we're okay. My options were as high as 460. I've lost some of my options here. What's up? What's up, TikTok? After now we've gone 26 minutes into the session. Look at NUVB. Now we've made some money off NUVB before. Let's go. NUVB, we're in that one. I'm gonna go big. 100. We're down 5. Facebook has gone the other way. I'm glad I got out when I did. It's just selling off. It's okay. Let Facebook sell off a little bit there. It's very liquid, so the fill was quick. We're only down 850. Anik, thank you very much. New B, we'll see what kind of fill we get, but that's a grinder that could be a great rocket. Is GNUS going off? Whoa! Now we've seen that. God, that one's pumped too. I'm telling you, it's the same stock that pump in YOLO. Oh yeah, it's pumping for sure. We're gonna get a little piece of that. Give me some. Come on. Give me some of that. Give me a little piece of this, a little piece of that, and off we go to the races one more time. VRDN looks like it was about to pump, and then it's clearly cleared the tower. Just hadn't turned up yet. There's a lot turning up, just not in rocket mode. I'm watching Montauk here, and it kind of did the same thing. It turns up and then it pivots really quickly. So I'm not sure why that is. Let's check the markets real quick. Yes, NASDAQ is now turning over. S&P is turning over, and the Dow has completely turned over. So, and clearly the micro is following the macro. And that's exactly what's happening. Most of these stocks run. Again, can't emphasize how, I mean, it's just been down for a while. Run is up 5%. Oh, there was one. That's NUVB. NUVB, we're what kind of fill do we get on NUVB? NUVB, we got a good fill. GNUS, we got a good fill as well. DPW is in a downward spiral, and we're out of that one. DPW does that to me. You know what? I've never really made money, even with all those insider calls, except for Facebook. But with all those insider calls on, look at DAT's about to just blow up here. I think we got to get in, right? DAT's. I mean, it's a meme stock. You got to go. DAT chat. Let's go 100 here. I think it's gonna. Oh, it may have just. Did I buy it? I don't know if I bought it. I don't think I bought it. Let me look at the 1 minute on dads here, guys. I'm not liking that one at all. I'll buy 10. See what it does here. Dads just. Why is it turning? And see that's how you know Facebook's a little bit behind. It's about 5 to 15 minutes behind. I swear it is. That's why the slippage is so freaking bad. But at least you can, get a good interface. It's about all you can say for them. And that's why I will continue to trade options on Robinhood. But there's really nothing else I want to trade. I did get into HUD 8 on their platform. Just I was out one night and said that's a good. I saw a chart. There you go. I saw a freaking chart, and I'm like, you got to get long. Plus, it's a crypto play, right? Bitcoin mining, Ethereum mining. I think they mine Litecoin as well, and I'm sure they mine a lot. Whatever's the most profitable to mine, that's what they're going to mine. All right, moving through here. TMST up 6, holding gains. Good to see. BTB might want to run. It's got to clear the tower here. And it's sitting right on it. How that's got some serious volume too. BTB guys, I may take. I don't know if I should take a position or not. We're seeing a lot turnover. If they weren't already red, we're seeing some grinders though. And those grinders, FL, that's a hard grind, right? 1.6% is all. What are we seeing? Nothing else yet, guys. All right, moving through. IMV has turned backwards. I need to get out of it. I have gotten out of it. Genius on the 1 minute. You're gonna kill me, brother. You are. Got to get out of that one. We'll close out. We had 50 shares in that one. New B. That's our big holding right now. $1,000 holding. Yeah, Yeah, I went big. $1,000. So here we go. Spin the casino wheel. Let's see if we can hit the triple sevens, or the triple cherries, we like to call it. Because as of right now, we are about to enter the best stock season that there is, November through January. It's also I call that crypto season. It looks like the alt season may have kicked off today, by the way, for all you crypto fanatics out there. BTB, that better not be a head fake. Let me look at something really quick on BTB. DAX just went up. If I can spell it, BTB. They hadn't even clear the tower yet. Why don't I even get in on that sucker? What am I thinking? All right. New B, we're in a good position there. We're still negative for the day, $2.40. We had the Pabst Blue Ribbon, FENG. We're on it. FENG. Let's see what you got. FENG. Phoenix. Yeah, it's cleared the tower. All right, I'm gonna take a small position here and see what it does. What is FENG? I remember that ticker from. Oh, it's New Media. Yeah, it's not gonna have a lot of. Well, it's got decent volume today. It looks like it's gone sideways though. But we'll see. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, HX I thought was going to run. It needs to clear the tower, but it looks like it really wants to go. And when it really wants to go, it goes. That one will absolutely get people behind it. It'll get the FOMO in there. And we'll see it go parabolic, if you know what I mean. Morning green. New B. Oh, that's New B. I keep looking at the exact same stocks. It's because they're all pumping. ELMS is, we are on ELMS, Electric Mile Solutions. Boom, that's a nice one. ELMS. Now watch me get into it. It'll just like peter out. It's a hell of a grind for the day though. Look at my new B just printing $13, 100 shares. ML about to clear. Let me add Elm here because I want that one. And what are you saying? You're saying ML? Is that the that's money line? Yeah, I remember money line. ML? Nah. PM. Something else you mean? because I got money line, or at least Robin has got down 13, brother. 13. No bueno there, brah. All right, HX did a pullback, which is never saw that coming. GMS is now turned over. RGS is turned over. Let me get to the bottom here fairly quickly. Whoa, what was that one? New B. I'm glad it's moving still. I mean, that's a positive. What I got here? Elms, I got a bad fill. New B's looks like it's got a red candle on the 2. On the 1, it's still got the red. I may take the 5 and bust out of there. What I should really do is I should just lessen my position. Fubo, a 5.5, still grinding hard. Nice to see that. That's a Kathy Wood special, by the way. That one and Roku both. So got those streaming wars. Although they're more hardware. I think they make more off streaming now, though. Both those do. Looking now, moving through here fairly quickly, making the eyes bleed. You got the blood just running out of the bottom of your eyes. It's not a tear, that's actual blood. It was a big order in the okay. So you were looking at the buy and sell at the buy and sell wall, PM. Moving through here, you grind. You was a big winner this morning. It's grinding all day, but it moved this morning in pre-market pretty good. Husa, dang it, that thing pumped. So what did it? It went 2%. I mean, it's not like we would have got a lot from it, but we went. Elms is just all right. Elms, I'm gonna give you one on the 1 minute. It's got 2. Gosh dang it, I got to get out of that. Now I'm down 6. That's all right. I'm down a full pizza right now and no beer. Lissy, let's go. LICY. Ooh. That one looks like it could run. You know what? I'm going to give you that one. Lissy. Where I have not even heard of that stock. Does it matter? No. I just look at the price and the momentum, and I'll give you 50. Because I think that's just clear the tire, so that might actually run. We need to get a good fill. DATS is now cleared the tower and pulling back though a little bit here. I'm gonna have to start doubling up to catch up. Do the UEPS. Let's look at UEPS as well. PM's all over it today. UEPS. I need to figure out how you find them faster than I do. UEPS is the second candle. I don't know about that one. It looks like doesn't have a good. It's on. Hang on. Let me look at the 1 minute. Look, that one may be a pullback on that one. Beer is no good anyway. I know, but I like the name of shit beers I used to drink in college. You know, it's been Lone Star, PBR we talked about, Corona. People think Tecate is a shit beer, but in Mexico it's better than Corona. Yeah, that's how they roll with it. Definitely Dos Equis. REDU. Let's look. We got Rise. Oh yeah, REDU on it. REDU is on a parabolic ride. You need to jump on that thing right now. Bam. Getting that financial advice, but that's like, don't give me a red one on the 2 minute. Come on. Give me a fill. Give me a good fill. We're going to jump back in. We're just pulling back. RDE, you gave me 5 on the fill. Yes. Nice. Very good. PM, thank you very much. What's up, Jeff Klon? Celis White. What the fuck is that? Oh, is that a beer? It sounds like a wine. Our DATS is still grinding. I'm not FENG. I'm just not feeling good about it. Although it does look like it's up there. But I just don't have the momentum. I like the clear. Man, this could be a good day. We're at 4. We were down 23. So now we're up 4, almost 5. Could be a red. Celis White's a Texas beer? I've never heard of it. Is it new? Is it it's probably like an IPA. It's got to be. I'm just thinking of like really bad beer that was cheap in the keg, but nobody knew what it was until somebody actually told you. Like the PBRs and the Bush and the whatever the Texas Light is too. What's up, Chase Turner? What's the potential tickers for tomorrow? I'll have those out tonight. I do not know. I did hit a big one with HPK. I put it up one on Friday, TikTok, and then I had on Sunday. I actually had a YouTube, and it went 16%. The other one was APPF, and I believe it might actually be down like 0.5% today. Right now, it's probably down for sure, but what it get to, though, is what I'll have to look at. Rolling Rock's not terrible. Jeff, I'm going to be honest with you. It's not terrible. Look at Wolf. Oh, let me look at my P&L real quick. I'm up 13. Thank you very much. RDEU, it's just been phenomenal. Look at these. DATS might be going the wrong way. I'm going to close out of DATS because it's a small position, but still, looks like it might be going down. I've got a 50. Look at these. Oh, look at these grinders. We're up 14. I'm feeling 2 pizzas and a nice 16-ounce, maybe a malt liquor. Keystone. Oh, that's a good one. Chase, that's a good. I hadn't even thought of Keystone. And I don't drink beer now, right? Rarely liquor, coffee for sure now. But the Keystone, the Keystone Light. There was a Keystone Light we used to get all the time. It was cheap back in the late 90s, early aughts. Oh, yeah. Nuve B is still doing its thing. Boy, and I got out of Nuve B. I got Redo's going the wrong Red U, excuse me. It's a very interesting name for a Chinese stock, Red U. I'm only at 5. We got Lissy still grinding. And got a hell of a chart on the 2-minute. The 1-minute has got us a red candle. Should I just take profits now? I think I should. And we'll get out of that and say thank you for your... did I just get out of that or not? Not even sure if I got out. Dang it. Nuve B's doing its thing still. And you got Ted U. Is this another Chinese stock? Oh, it did the pivot and the pullback. I probably didn't look at it fast enough. I'm gonna grab that one, and then the Red U. I want to grab that one as well because is it back to moving, or was it? Did Red U get what I think it got? Let me go Red U again. Red U. We might get a good fill here. I'm gonna buy that one again. Go 50. Clearly a Chinese stock, Red U, right? What's your EDTK? Man, what are you getting me into here, brah? What are you getting me into? EDTK. What's with the education stocks going fucking nuts? Good Lord. EDTK, got to go with it, right? That's what we do here, EDTK. We look for the parabolics. Another Chinese ed going parabolic. I'm not going to go hard into that one, although it is moving now. Let's see what kind of fill we get, and I may jump back. No, EDTK, we got a negative fill, but it's not bad. Red U, we got a good fill. We're up 7. We're going to see how far, literally how far Chinese educational stocks can take us. OGEN, let's do it. Well, what we got? Yeah, it's got to let it. Dang, it pumped though. I should have seen this pump. That's a 10% pump, just about. Let me add that to the list. I'm almost at 600 stocks now, thanks to you guys. Yeah, it's done. So it's digesting that huge pump. I should at least got in on that from 7 to 11. That's a 5%er I missed out on. Damn it. That's what happens. That's why I keep adding OCGN. Oh no, OGEN. Yeah. We're running with. Why is that one red? They got a good one. OGEN. I want to go back to that one just really quick. I mean, come on, it did not clear, and it's got the volume too. That was a great pump though, and now it's all on my list. The problem is it shows up at the bottom, So I need to move here quickly. Everybody's eyes will turn red or just blink a lot. Keep the eyes moist as we move down here quickly because I have not seen it. Is back moving again? All right. Now, if you guys didn't know, BK, it's basically it's a crypto exchange. I don't know if it's clear though, PM. Let me look at it real quick. Because I know it was a big, huge mover today. Woo! It wants to go. You know what? I'll take a chance on that ripper. Now remember though, I'm down. I'm down $1 now because China has done it to me again. China. Literally every Chinese stock I have been over and grabbed my ankles. That's how bad. I just went down 20 and backed. What just happened? Good God. Back. Come on, brother. Keep grinding. I'm gonna stick it out with you because I believe in you. Crypto. What is crypto doing? That's what I should find out pretty quick. We are we're down a little bit now because it was 63.5. It was 63.5, so now we're down. Something's turning up in my. What's the market doing? Well, it looks like Dow's kind of going sideways now versus completely turning over. That's good to see. HX is moving now. HX, we thought it was going to move just a few minutes ago. Yep, it's moving now. Now HX has saved our ass before, so you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to do there. Go big. I'm going balls deep. Back just went 41 plus. PM, you're the man. Now the thing with the back though is I need to get out. Let me just get out of back. Take my 87 now. And I might actually jump back in with a lower set here. Did not get a good feeling on HX. That's okay. I'm up 87. Now I'm up 57 because the fill. Now I'm going to go back into back really quick. BKKT. I'm just gonna do 10 right now. Watch it to see if it continues to go up. Get the upside, and it looks like it's really moving still. Back is moving, guys. I'm gonna have to buy more. Damn it! Give me 50. Let's go. Give me a good fill. HX got a good fill. It's got 2 red candles, which you know I do not like. If it has the 2 red on the ones, we move on. It's up 9. How do we go up 87 now? 36. Back just went down 28. Damn! Come on, back. Give me a little bit. I'm 1,700 deep in that one. Is all. It's not like it's a huge position. Now we're up 49. Thank you very much, HX. Come on, back. Give me a little bit more. Just a little bit more, and I'll get out your way. I'll be done with you. I thought I had 87. I don't know what's really happened here. Come on, people. Give me something. Zella's moving. Oh, Zella will absolutely move. Now it had done jack nothing in I don't even know, like 3 months. Oh yeah, it's freaking moving. We'll take that one too. Backed. It's making up for its loss at least. I'm up 56 now. 36. Got a bad backed. Am I too heavy backed? I think I'm too heavy on backed. As it goes up, I'm going to get out of back, but that is how it works. As it goes out, it should give me a decent fill back. I just stayed with you a little bit too long. That's all. It's still running though, so it's not the worst. I just had too big of a position. Little risk management, Maddox, might be a little nice there. Dibs, did we look at Dibs? DIBS. First Dibs. That's an awesome name. That's just going sideways, but I like it though. Man, where are you finding these stocks? That's awesome. If there's a scanner you're using, give it up, brother. I want to know how you, like, if you're scanning on FinViz, what switches are you using as I move down through here? And speaking of face rippers, this will rip your face off as well. NX, what is NX? Love the participation today, QuantX. It has done a pivot and is now. Looks like it could be pointed bearish. I'm gonna look at the P&L. What are we on here? EDK is now up. I'm gonna get out of EDTK as it continues to move up here. It's just not. I still don't have enough of a position. That's the problem. I really need to be adding to the position. Let me add 50 really quick and just see what we can do. This might destroy my entire P&L right here. This is a ballsy move. This is going balls deep. Really, when it's going that up, give me a good fill. EDTK is up 2. Come on, give me what HX has done its job. I'm gonna call it a day on HX. It's got protect the gains. We're at 44. At Zello, we didn't get the greatest fill. EDTK looks like, I don't even know what to think of it. That's a penny stock, so it's really not even going to move a lot anyway. So wasn't even looking at price. I was just looking at the candles, not really the prices there. FPAC, what's up? Under 20, moving fat. Screener, a YouTube guy, Is G? Now we were just in GNUS. Is it? It's moving again? No. What else you got? FPAC. Far peak. Turned back on me. That's okay. You've had some hello winners today for me. I got it's $219 in Zella. It's a true penny stock, so it's not going to kill me. But if it continues to go up, great. If not, that's okay too. Let me get to the bottom here. I've got to get to this damn bottom. Like literally, there's got to be like probably 5 stocks I'm missing. Right, there's one about to turn up. Woof did not turn up on us. It's too big a stock too. Wonder how Facebook's doing. So we need to ask Anik how Facebook's doing, because it started to rip off real quick. I kind of thought the earnings in Facebook would be slightly better. A lot better than what Snap was. So I was fairly confident in that. I'm actually glad. ARK's up, Facebook's up, NASDAQ's up. Look at all these that you guys have given. Elms is grinding still, by the way. ELMS up 16 and going to 17. Nice grinder there. Now we're gonna move back up here. What do you got? We've got 9 minutes till close, guys. What's my P&L looks like? I'm up 50. I'm gonna let the Zella run. I had a huge position. Look at the S. Is that Silvergate? It's something silver. That's the bank stock though. The banking again. We are long banking. We are long energy. So there you go. My CEI calls worked out well. My other what other ones are working out? I want to get you to USL is killing it. My USL calls are just printing money. One's up one contract's up 160. CPSS. Let's see what we got. CPSS seems like a interesting stock. It's got to clear it cleared. It's a very odd down. I like that one though. CPS needs to clear the tower, so I'm going to take a little bit of time here. CPS. Let's go into that one. CPSS. Sorry, CPSS. Consumer buy. I'm not going to go crazy here. I'm going to take it. Zella's now. Is Zella backing off a little bit? It's good. It's doing its little grind. What else you got there? PRT. PRT. We actually saw before. A lot of people started to join. That's a buy. I'm not gonna go balls deep there though, because I can't understand that chart. Not a lot of volume behind it, but here we go. We're off. So our last one's at the 50s, 52, 53, moving through fairly quickly. Look at this one. NUV still grinding, not as much as it was before when it went parabolic, but hey, you can't be a parabolic stock the entire YOLO hour. I don't think we've ever had that before. Like a stock that just went off the entire hour. BKKT just broke 30. Nice. Now there's a couple things we're working for BKKT. One, they signed the MasterCard agreement. 2, it's a crypto stock, right? It is. And if you don't know if you follow Unusual Wells, Kelly Loeffler, which I knew this before, but Kelly Loeffler was an investment. Her husband runs the CME. I believe they own CME, in fact, or the CBOE, excuse me. That's the Chicago Board of Exchange, right? And they might be behind NASDAQ too, but you can fact check me on that one. Back is a very interesting stock. One, it was a SPAC that I thought was just going to fall flat, but then crypto picked it up, and boom, there we go. What do we got? What do we got? We have 7 on Zella. I appreciate its contribution. If it just continues to print. Nice. What are we doing on PRT here? I can't get in on PRT. What's up? Give me the 3 minutes. Yeah, it's got a nice green. Little wick. We're at 52. Pizzas for everybody. Once again, PM has shown his instincts today. Comms again? Are you kidding me? Comms was on Friday. We had a hell of a time with it. Yeah, it wants to turn. It hadn't cleared the tower though. But I bet it gets to 193. So you're gonna make 20 cents on it. There you go. It's not for me, but you will make 20 cents before it hits an intraday high and turns back. It looks like it's done it before today though. Beamy, BIMI. Oh yeah, that was a good one. 250. It just goes 20%. What the hell? Where the hell did you find this stock? Good God. It's a true penny beamy. You can go big because you can go big, and this one it's not even gonna hurt. 100 shares, beamy. Let's see what you got, Zella. I appreciate your contribution. The 1 minute you're still hard though. I like it. Keeping the faith in Zella. Let me get out for this by getting good. We're up 60, guys. 60. We got 6 pizzas, 6 full size deep dish pizza. PRT is not printing like I thought it would. I'll close out it. And Bimi's just not a big position. It's just not going to do anything. It could fall the entire way. I'm still, well, not the entire way. What else? AAL. Let's look at AAL. What's up, AAL? Well, American Airlines. Oh, it's about to clear too. Now American. That I don't see it being a rocket stock, but that is an interest. It's got to clear this 921. It's about to. That would be very interesting. That's a very interesting. Boy, if that goes ballistic, and so I would bet that they have earnings today, or something. I go balls deep at AAL just to see what's going to happen. Bibby's just not going to move, so I'm not worried about it. Just not enough big. We got to fill in American. It's $1,900, so it could break me here if it turns back. That's what YOLO Hour is all about. I don't think it's going to turn back. Oh, there it goes. Nice move for the AAL. Dominic, good job, brother. Good job. Keep it up. As I move down here, what was that one? What did I just miss on? It was A and F, I think, that I missed. CVGI is grinding through. That'll probably grind through the close. FL's going to grind through the close. There's a lot of good stocks here. SDIG. Did we do SDIG? Digital mining stock. Needs to clear the tower, but I didn't want to add it. I like it. Let's see. Yeah, it's got great volume too. Let me look at American on the 1 minute. I don't know. It's just not going to move much. But we're in deep. Let me see if I get one last pump here. We're 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes till the session ends. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Did you ever have your teacher between classes ever call that out? 2 minutes. 2 minutes till you got to get to class. All right, moving through here. I see a lot of turnover, guys. A lot of stuff has gone. I bet the market is. Yep. And we got 4 red candles on S&P and the NASDAQ turning over as we see the micro do the same exact thing. And we might, let's see here, CTRA. We go balls deep in this one. Oh, that's an energy stock. I'm going to keep that one. You know what? Somebody told me about Coterra. Is it in Texas? Pennsylvania, the Marcellus. That's a good stock, boys and girls. That's a good stock. I'm not gonna lie, that stock, I bet that's been a decent stock. Yep, 3 month up 41%. Nice little stock there. Good job, PM. Let me see where I'm at. Let me close it out. AAL is back to even. Thank you very much for your non-contribution. They're literally based here in Dallas, and I don't fly them. Now I do fly Southwest. I don't fly American. It's just so, I don't know, like dirty, or it's something about it. I just don't like flying American. Give me Southwest all day long, and I'm good with it. And are we about to get the end here? All right, let me look at my options here real soon. There's a lot of stuff grinding into the close. Tomorrow's the circuit is. Look at EYEG, almost up 5% grinding into the close. We're up 50, dude. We're at 50, 55. Nice day. Couple pizzas all around. What's up? Very good YOLO. Yes, it was a very good. It was very fun too. PM's got it picked up. He says that he's got it. There's some YouTube guys got a screen. I wonder what. Hey, PM, find out what screener that guy's using. I will use that exact screener versus using Robinhood. I'll use the screener. So whatever he's got, figure out what the name of it is. I'll go buy it. I bet it's one that we already know. It's got some kind of, look at Sun W. That one into the close. That was up. That Sun works. But figure out what screeners you got. I bet it's a screener that I have access to. It's just that you've just got to know. You literally just have to know the right switches, right? That's, and if it's one that we know, that's what we got to do. Trading ideas screener. What the hell? Maybe it's not one that I know. Trading ideas screener. I will look at that one today and tomorrow and figure that out. Look at VRD and just look, guys. That's not a lot of volume, but that thing it's pointed up. Really quick, while you're on here, I'll give you CMC. We got an insider buy on the 18th. That might be out of date, but this CRNX is interesting. It's actually up a little bit, and it's on a good tilt. So watch out for that's perceptive. CRNX on the 25th, which is today. So there you go. TI under 20 moving up fast. TI as well. All right, guys. I appreciate you guys here on YouTube. It was a hell of a day. It was fun. I mean, I think that's probably. I'm losing. I gotta get out of something here really quick. Sorry. 55. That was probably a top 10 day for me. I'm not gonna lie. I hadn't been real great on YOLO. That's because I put too much. I guess I go too deep, and then then you kind of go balls deep on the wrong one. So yeah, I'll jump on. In fact, let me write that down. Trading ideas screener. And what you might look at is what kind of switch he has turned on. But I'll take a look at it though. Nice. Very good day for that. We did not get the Pixie though. So with that said, PM and Anik, thank you very much. You guys are awesome. Jeff Klein had a good beard. Jeff, I actually might send you a hat. Hit me up in stocktrade.tips and DM me. You already looked it up. Trade ideas is not cheap. Well, if it will enhance the YOLO Hour experience, I may jump on it. We'll see. I'm not sure if Facebook reported or not yet, but I'll bet it did. Tesla's up 13% today. It's $1 trillion company. I'm looking at Bloomberg right now. Hertz is up 250. Not seeing Facebook. It is not saying that Facebook reported yet. Bloomberg does not have that because that would instantly be on the screen. So, all right, Jeff Klein. Like I said, man, hit me up on the stocktrade.tips. Just DM me, and we'll get you size up hat or something. So, with that being said, guys, thank you very much. Chase, thank you very much. PM, always a pleasure. I really appreciate the information today. and Mr. Anik, we'll see you on the channel. We always do. Dominic, thank you for your participation today. It was awesome. Like I said, thank you very much. Walker, thank you very much. And did I miss anybody? Chase, thanks for being here. Appreciate it. All right, guys, we will see you. I'm going to jump on the TikTok here really quickly, do some TA, and then I will look up the trade ideas. Trade ideas. Let me make sure I can read my writing. Trade ideas. All right. Facebook climbed up. It's not showing earnings yet, though, just so you know. All right. See you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Watch your six go hard in the paint. We'll see.